What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video we will discuss about different grade of hairs. And if you try to purchase hair from the website and try to purchase a bundle, you will see different grade of hairs: 7A, like 7A, 8A, 9A, 10A, so 6A. So what is the difference of different grade and what does it mean? um so today we will discuss about that. So actually there's no uniformed criteria for 6A, 7A, 8A, 9A. So basically, from the very beginning of the hair industry, actually from the factory, there's only two grade of hairs. First one is soaked hair. Second one is braid hair. Also, you can call it raw hair or virgin hair. So soaked hair means the hair is soaked, is processed with liquid acid, and virgin hair or braid hair means the hair is not processed in this kind of acid water. And that only this kind of two kinds of hairs. And soaked hair, which right now uh, right now is also called non-Remy hair, which means the cuticle is removed, and the virgin hair means the cuticle is intact and there's not processed. Honestly, this is common sense. This is common sense, but due to there are so many vendors are coming to this industry, and they are misunderstanding. They don't understand this criteria, and they try to promote themselves on the website. So this thing become very confusing in the website, in the social media or internet right now. So basically, 6A, 7A, 8A, why this happens? Because there are traders in the market and they actually purchase hair from different factories, and different factory has different criteria. For example, this factory, uh, soaked hair is this, there are 40%. If it's a 16-inch, they have 40%, which is 16-inch, and 20%, which is 14-inch, like this, or another 20%, 12-inch, another 20%, which is 8-inch, like this. And another company, he has another criteria, and he only have 30%, which is 16-inch, and 20% it's 12-inch, and 20% it's 10-inch. And so when a trader purchase this two factories soaked hair, and he find this company's soaked hair is better in terms of the fullness of the hair, and he will try to categorize it and grade it, and he will say this one belong to 4A, this one is 3A. And when the third company join and there are 5A, 6A, it's going like this. But gradually, and another trader are coming in, and he try to promote himself. My hair is better than them, and they will try to grade themselves as 7A, 8A, and gradually now you can see there are 13A, 12A in the market. Actually, for me, or if I'm telling you that there is nonsense, there's no sense, there's no, it's not a proper criteria to understand different understand to say this hair, it's difficult, or you cannot say that 7A hair is better than 6A in term, if it's two different factory. Maybe in the same factory or in the same vendor, you can see his 8A is better than his 6A. That makes sense. But compare with different brand and different vendor, and you cannot see his 8A is better than and the other people, the second one's 6A. It doesn't work like this way. My 4A can equals their 8A, and my 6A can equals their 10A. That makes sense. So there's no point doing say that 8A is better than 6A. But how if it comes to a same vendor, so how to tell um, a same vendor will have different grade of hair. For example, vendor A, he will say I have my 7A, 8A, oh sorry, 7A, 8A. And what does it mean? 7A means this hair, they are telling this hair, firstly, the first criteria is this hair is soaked hair or Remy hair or virgin hair. Of course, if it's virgin hair, its grade will be better. It will be better than Remy hair, and if it's Remy hair, it will be better than non-Remy hair. And the second criteria is the fullness. You can see if this one fullness is less, is not so good as this one. So this one will, if you say this one is 6A, this one can be 8A, right? So that's how they will categorize their hair. The same vendor, he will say, he will categorize their bundles according to the texture of the hair, whether it's soaked hair, non-Remy hair, or Remy hair, or a virgin hair, and the fullness of the hair. This hair is it's 20%, only 20% are properly 16-inch, and this one have 40% or 60% 16-inch. Of course, this one will be better than this one if they are the same Remy hair, right? And we can talk to deep, and I will arrange more videos to talk about different texture, different grade of hair according to what does non-Remy hair mean, what is Remy hair mean, what is virgin hair mean. I will upload more videos, and I will tell from the perspective of the factory instead of market, because the because there are big gaps there. The factory is saying this, and the market is saying another way. So I would tell you, I will preach from the factory ways, so that you will understand how to tell this hair is better, this hair is or this hair is better. And we will arrange more videos, and please subscribe my channel, and see you next video.